It happened. You will not a philosopher by name Seneca. You have formed us for yourself. But he gave himself to death.
Go, sit down.
Where does this road head to?
We have shared 23 years of our life together, and I truly thank God for that time. Our years was filled with love, laughter, tears, blessings, expansion, and fulfillment. Years that I cannot, the years cannot be summarized on paper. Oh, how the blessings of our three great sons brought us joy and warmed our hearts. They will miss you so much.
Paul was a good man. So whatever things are out there, he's a sincere, honest man. So, and that should be known. He believed in me, and I tell you, I believed in him. He went to clear his name, and he was going to clear his name.
Hardworking, astute lawyer, good manners, good humor, and a person you felt at home to be in his company.